Hello everyone. I am Yaganathan doing third year mechanical engineering at JKK Niraja College of Technology. Our project is a solar dryer with encapsulated phase change material heat storage for continuous day and night drying. Agriculture is one of the most important sector in Tamil Nadu. Farmers grow crops like turmeric, chili, marjoram leaves, banana flowers, fish and medical herbs. After harvesting, these products need to proper drying before storage or sale. Most of the farmers still use traditional open sun drying. This method works only during the daytime. After sunset, the drying process is stopped. Rain, dust, inserts, and moisture also affect the quality of the products. Because of this, farmers lost the products quality and income. Our project provides a simple and effective solution. We design a solar dryer with the encapsulated phase change material or PCM. During daytime, the solar collector absorb the sunlight and produce heat during day, drying the crops. At the same time, the PCM store extra heat energy. The main innovation of our project is the store the heat is released slowly after sunset. This always the dryer to continue working during the night without electricity or fuel. As the result, drying becomes continuous faster and more effectiveness. Thank you.